You let the devil triumph if you don't watch this video. I'd like to be a part of your life, Jesus. Only to steal, kill, and destroy does the devil come. But for your sake, I have triumphed. I have no doubt that you will embrace him wholeheartedly. 0:16. Say this quietly now. Lord Jesus, enter my heart. Every day I need you. Keep the devil and his wicked vices away from me. Keep my family and I safe. Tell all of your friends and family about this video if you love and believe in Jesus. If you reject, keep in mind that he stated, I will deny you before God the Father if you deny me before men. You will experience an unanticipated miracle in a matter of hours. It's your time now that I've completed my portion. You are welcome if you have faith and believe in Jesus. Please subscribe if you haven't already. God